Okay guys, before I roll the actual video, just a short clip, because I think the person who this is going to really deserves it, and I just wanted to thank my wife for always supporting me with my hobby. She was there for me through all the ups and downs that I had throughout the years, and I think she really deserves it, that I say thank you, honey, because she really is awesome, and I just wanted to thank her that way. She probably knows it, that I'm really thankful for her, that she's at my side, but I just wanted to make it public and really thank her in a way that maybe nobody does. And yeah, she totally deserves it, and thank you for being with me, honey. So now let's roll the clip, and stay tuned guys, because it's an awesome clip. Hey guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. It's going to be the last video for this year, because today it's Christmas Day, and just about half an hour ago I received a package from SPINOGY. Just arrived in time, and I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of what's inside of there. I already announced something is going to happen in my last video about the spindle. So yeah, you guys probably can imagine what's inside of this box. But yeah, let's do it. I haven't had a look inside of this. I'm sharing this actually in real time with you guys. Also, the package weighs around about 20 kilograms. Pretty heavy. Ooh. What do we have here? I can see Rigofix. Can you see guys? Yeah, you guys can see this. Oh man, this is so nice. Okay, let's get cracking. Rigofix. ER16 collet set, 1 to 10 millimeters. And also ER20 set, ER20 collet set, 2 to 13 millimeters. We will have a look inside of them at a later point. First, let me get this whole box unboxed. HSK25E, ER16 mini. Ooh. For now, there are 3 tool holders. What else do we have? Oh, okay, this is for the controller build that I'm doing for them. Those are those cable bridges for those connectors. Then here we have a wrench. This is for the ER20 version, because just get me after this. For now, I got those HSK25 tool holders with the ER16 collet, but we actually plan to go step it up a bit and get those ER20 collets, but they haven't arrived yet at SPINOGY because of some delay issues, and yeah, those will come next year. So then I'm switching all out to ER20. And this is the wrench for the ER16 collets, just a bit smaller. And here we have some more collets. I think. Yeah, ER16, call it 8 millimeters. Man, those are tiny. I'm now used to using ER25 collets and they really are a bit bigger, and those are so tiny. But yeah, Rego Fix. I think it's Swiss made, if I remember right. Yeah, what else do we have? Oh, this is control cabinet. Okay. Just let me do this. This probably is spindle. We will have a look at this in a moment. Nothing more in there. Let me see. Okay. Just a sec. Just need to grab a side cutter. Let's have a look inside. That is the pneumatic control cabinet for the HSK spindle. Pretty nice, really nice, wired up, all clean. Pretty cool. Oh man, I'm so excited. And now, the main player of this video, guys. And there's something special about this spindle, but you guys will see this in a few seconds. Oh my god. Okay, this is some lubricating metal. Okay, cool. What do we have here? I know you guys want to see the spindle. Oh, cool. It's a little flyer from SPINOGY. Okay, so it says up to 7.5 kilowatts spindle power, up to 50,000 RPM, air and liquid cooled, ER20 or ER25 with manual tool change, SK20 or ISO20 and HSK25 for automatic tool change. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh. And a nice pen and some more stickers. Actually, I'm pretty glad because I don't have any black ones of them. Yeah, cool. It's pretty nice. Oh man. Okay guys. Look at it. God damn. This thing is so cool. Look at this. This is so freaking nice. And here's a special part about it. Got my logo on it. This is so cool. The guys who are following me on Instagram probably already have seen it. The process of laser engraving this. It's a pretty cool process they do at their shop. And yeah, wow man, this it even looks better in person than on the pictures. This is so cool. And it's wow. I really can't wait to set this all up and get this thing up and running. Also, this is the 50,000 RPM version. It's with 2-pole motor and obviously 2.2 kilowatts, but it spins up to 50,000 RPM. Pretty nice. I also got all possible sensors mounted inside of there. It's motor head temperature, bearing temperature for front and back, I believe, and I think I also have the RPM sensor mounted inside of there, but I have to chat with them again to talk about those sensors which are mounted inside of there. But yeah, this thing is so cool. Yeah, there's nothing more in there. So let's have a look at those ER25 HSK25 tool connectors. Wow. Okay, I won't unpack them now because they're all greasy and I have no towel right now next to me. But yeah, man, this is cool. ER25, so tiny, but absolutely cool. Man, this is nice. I really can't wait to assemble this at my machine and get it all up and running. So here we have the ER20 set of the collets. Oh, it comes nicely packaged. Those are then for next year when I get the HSK25 ER20 tool holders. Yeah, I'm pretty much equipped with all those different diameters for tools. Man, this is so cool. And here we have the ER16 collets. I mean, look at the size difference. This is so cool. Man, this is nice. So yeah, guys. Okay, electrical part. Because I already have mounted the VFD and all this others, all the other components already mounted to my back wall where my controller is hanging on. I now at the moment don't have the actual control cabinet that comes with it, but this will also arrive next year as I get it right. But the VFD will work with this spindle also. Just have to tweak some parameters and to get the full 50,000 RPM. Also, I will share with you guys right now a little clip of the spindle spinning from 0 to 50,000 RPM in about 2 seconds. This is so cool because Mark, a guy from SPINOGY, just sent me over this small clip, and this is just awesome. This is so cool. You guys really can't believe how excited I am to get this all up and running. This is so freaking nice. Yeah. So between Christmas and New Year, I will maybe be, or definitely I will be mounting the spindle to my machine. Also, I have to finish the controller build, which I started a couple of days ago. Yeah, and I just wanted to say thank you to all of you guys who have supported me and watched my videos. This year really was a blast, was quite a journey, but I really can't believe where this hobby took me to because the point where I'm at now, right now, this is just, I really couldn't imagine this 5 years ago or 6 years ago when I started the CNC hobby. I really can't describe it. It's pretty cool. It really was quite a journey for me, and also 2021 was an awesome year. What my machine went through and how I set it all up, but this all wouldn't be possible without you guys supporting me, watching my videos, watching my Instagram content. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for supporting me in such a great way. This is just so cool. I'm speechless. This is freaking nice, guys. So yeah, to you guys all, have a Merry Christmas, and we will see us in the next year, and then it's going to even evolve more, because then finally the community project will start. I will start building it, and I will get a homepage set up for this project, and also there you guys will be able to download the plans of this community project, of the CNC router that I'm building. So yeah, it's just awesome. I have no words. This is, yeah, end the video, and thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay safe, and we will see us in the next year. Have a great time, and we will see us, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.